Good morning, guys. Anyways, so we just woke up earlier. Currently, it's like 3 p.m. We slept like at 7 in the morning yesterday, or actually this morning. We slept this morning, woke up this afternoon. We're gonna go do a little hiking. Remember that waterfall I told you guys about that I was going back to maybe vlog there. Um, this will be my first time there, and I'm gonna go there to do like more of a proper vlog, or at least I'll try. Every time we go there, we didn't really hike, so and I don't know. My friend Victor told me it was gonna be like 9 kilometers. So yeah, we'll go and see how far it is. But we're gonna hike all the way up to the cave. They said at the end of the hike, there's like a big cave. So we're gonna try to make that and see how it goes. And I'll probably swim on our way. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be swimming on our way at the waterfalls, or maybe we go hike first, and then when we feel more sweating, we're gonna come back and swim on our way. But we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Hey guys, this is really unexpected. So all the 3 times before that we've been here, there was basically nobody. But this is fourth time and it's full of people, guys. Look at all these cars. So many cars and so many people. It's crazy. Check it out. So like there's people everywhere. What is going on, yo? Hey guys, I guess we're gonna be hiking. So yeah, guys, I guess we'll see how it goes. All right. Wow, guys, there is really a lot of people. Check it out. So this is the waterfall where we came to take pictures. Seems like there's a lot of people. So this is the map. Oh, it's 2 kilometers. So that's not bad. Gotta go up to the waterfalls and we'll make it to the cave. Yeah. This one's so poisonous. Poisonous? What the? That cave. But yeah, guys, we'll be doing that. Man, this place is crazy, yo. Okay, there's a little nice waterfall here. I think I took a couple pictures with my girlfriend right here. Last time they were here. Right there. And they have this little bridge. Yeah, guys, it's crazy, man. I don't even know. Whew, man, guys, we're going up. We're going up, all the way up. Yo, people swimming over there. Hey, yeah. I don't know. We gotta find a good spot to go swim. I mean, last spot that I was there, when I took a picture, I remember this picture right here. We're gonna try to get to that spot, and if it's empty, we're probably just gonna eat there and just rest there. But we're not sure yet. There's so many people, and so maybe it's packed too, because it's packed everywhere. So yeah, but they got people swimming here. This is the wood. that we walked last time. So yeah, that was the wood that we walked last time. This last time that we were here.
Yeah.
But we're trying to get to the waterfall that we were at. Yeah. Gotta cross this river. Gotta cross this river. I feel as if it's more quiet up here now. It's a little bit away from the tourist people, I guess. I mean, not that we're not tourists, we are, but from everybody else, you know? I feel like this part is more calm. I don't think there's many people coming to cross over here on this side. So we're gonna keep going and see what happens. Yeah, guys, we're about to get to that waterfall, nearly. Yeah, you can be on my video if you want. Yep. So guys, we made it. So this is where I was before when I came and swam and took that picture. This is the spot, guys. Yeah, we're back here. We're still going up. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're going up. We're gonna keep going up to their cave. To their cave. To the cave. Hey, look at this part. It has sand. Yeah. Sand. Right? It is quite loud. If you guys can hear the waterfall. The waterfall is very loud. And I hope you guys can hear me. But oh my gosh, this waterfall everywhere. I'm just fucking with you. Check this out, guys. Another waterfall here. Little mini waterfall. It's like my pee-pee. Yeah. Here we're going up. Guys, 2 kilometers. That's nothing, right? I mean, yeah, that's nothing. 2 kilometers. I mean, we have not ate yet. So I am kind of hungry. But I think we're trying to get to a good spot where we can eat and relax, you know what I mean? Because over there it was packed, and I mean, you know, it's okay. That's in like more of like the entry, so this is more of like a advanced areas. So that's why we're not seeing anybody up here right now. But yeah, we're still hiking. We're trying to get to the spot, you know, the good spot, you know what I mean? So yeah, guys, it's good to be back here. It's good to be hiking again. I haven't hiked it so long since my, I don't know, since my girlfriend's grandpa's mountain. I haven't hiked since then. It's crazy, guys. And that's been like almost 2 months. Or yeah, maybe 2 months now. So yeah, guys, like I said, we're gonna keep going. So here we go. Guys, I'm starting to sweat. I don't know. I'm starting to sweat, guys, to sweat. I feel like we should be halfway, maybe close. I'm not sure. I don't know how long 2 kilometers. I'm guessing it's like 1 mile or something, you know. Ooh, look at this part. Wow, we're going down. Yeah. Guys, it feels so good to be hiking up here again. Out here in the wild again. I mean, this is nothing like current state, but it looks like it, you know. There's a lot of bamboos here. So right above me right here, the big bamboo bush. Yeah guys, it looks like I'm in the wild, even though I'm just right outside of the urban city. I guess like 15-minute ride, you know. But it's beautiful here. It is the wild, I guess. It's towards the mountain, so I mean, as you can see, like this part right here, that's basically a mountain. I mean, maybe not as big as, you know, those bigger mountains, but it is a big rock, and it's amazing, guys. It's good to be hiking up this stream. Water everywhere. Amazing. Wow. She's leading the way. Yes, go ahead. Wow, guys, this part is very quiet. Very, very quiet. Wow, look at this walkway, pathway. Beautiful, right? Spot is crazy, yo. There you go, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, get it, get it, girl. Yeah, that's my lady. That's my lady. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That's my lady. Yep. Oh shit, she almost tripped. Why do we care? We on a mission, right? We trying to get to the cave, yo. Man, I ain't no bitching out now. No. Guys, we're trying to get to the cave no matter what. We gotta get to the cave because, you know, I mean, shit, it's bushy out here, man. I don't think anybody's here anymore. I mean, look, shit. Look at this trail. Really, it's not really a trail, honestly. I feel like this trail is not walked by human. It's probably walked by some animal. They just make it into a trail. Gosh, kind of scary out here, guys, in the wild. But we gotta do what we gotta do. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we told you guys we're gonna get to the cave. We gotta get to the cave, man. What if there's no cave though? That's my question. Oh shit, then. Oh shit, look. Woo! Man, there's a lot of spider webs out here. My face I ran into some spider webs. With my face, guys. With my face. We gotta get to the cave. That's our #1 goal right now. Huh? Wow. Holy shit. Shit is crazy, yo. Whoa, look at that. That's a big ass spider.
Where is that?
Right here.
Can see it. Oh, that's not a big spider.
Hmm?
That's a small spider.
It's like, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's got a web.
Go.
Man, are we walking in the right path? What the fuck? This is stupid, yo.
This is the only trail.
Yo, I don't feel safe, man. Mama, help me. What the hell am I doing, yo? Oh shit. Ah, you gotta be shitting me, yo. Oh fuck. Okay, trying to cross this river. Oh man.
Oh Lord. Come on, baby. Let's go.
Trying to not getting wet.
Not get it wet. This is what it's like to hike with a girl.
I was leading you the trail, remember?
Yeah, and then until you got scared because it was too bushy. Sure about that. I'm here for the cave, yo. Dear Lord, let there be no snake, please. I would run away like a little bitch if I see any snake, yo. I'm scared of snake, yeah.
So hard on me too,
Stop being a little bitch, come on.
you carry it.
There is no trail. We gotta make our own trail. Ah.
So what about you go in there first?
You go, you're gonna lead, right?
No, you go there first.
No.
You make a trail for me.
No, you make a trail for me.
You're big, you're
No, I'm not big. I'm not fat. Come
Go
on.
in there, baby. Hurry up.
Huh?
Hurry.
I think we should walk up the river instead.
No.
Yeah. Why not?
Come on, baby, let's go. Go.
Ah, shit. Okay. Okay, guys. I guess I'll be leading the way. Man, I'm about to. Okay.
Make
Okay.
sure you make a trail while you're on the way.
Mhm.
Hey, I said make a trail for me.
I am. What do you mean? This is the trail. Okay, guys. You guys will be looking through my eyes. See what I see.
This is so. Looks like it.
Man, we gotta get to the cave, yo. I mean, we can't not get to the cave, you know what I mean?
I'm gonna leave you, babe. I'm
No.
gonna go and wait for you on down there.
Why? Why? Why are you gonna leave me? You have got to be shitting me. Yo, there's no more trail. That's like dead end. Yo. I mean, you can see the rock from here, guys. If you look up to that little wide open view right there. You see the rock, so the cave must be there somewhere. I don't know. But when we walk from there, there's no trail. It was like just a big bush right there. What the heck? Yo, this shit is scary too. I don't know, guys. I just don't know. Where should we go? Should we turn back? Actually, this would be a good place to shower or swim. It's nice, very calm. So, what's the move, girl? I don't know, guys. I don't know if we should keep going or. I mean, even if we wanted to, we can't because there's no trail. I mean, I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So we made it to this point. We walked from there. Okay. We made it to here, and now look. This is where I was when I went out. But then here it's like mosquito bites. Oh God, that's it. There's no other way. Oh shit. Now I'll even go closer for you guys. Look. So we come here, and what the fuck is this, yo? Like that's it. There's nothing left. I don't know. Maybe that tree fell, that's why. But yeah, there's nothing. Yeah. Yeah guys, I don't know. I mean, I'm disappointed. I wanted to show you guys the cave, you know, no matter what it looks like or how ugly it was, but I guess we can't get to it because I mean there's nobody coming this side, you know. It's like the trail end here. Even like the trail that we walked on, it was really like, I don't know, messed up. It looks like this. There haven't been many people walking up here, you know, for, I don't know, many years, I guess. So, and it stopped here. So, I'm sorry, guys. But I think we're gonna go back and just go eat somewhere. You know, we don't want our food to turn bad. So I'm pretty sure we're almost at the cave because we'll be walking for a bit now, and I can literally see the big rock right there. But there is no way to get to the rock. So yeah, guys, gonna have to turn it back. Alright, sorry. But just enjoy the rest of the clips. I guess, you know, the rest of the hike, we're gonna go back and eat and probably just head back home. Peace. Shit, I don't know where my girlfriend is. Christy! Guys, I don't know where she is. I'm just gonna go back. Hopefully she went back. The reason why I'm hiking with my flip-flop is because, you know, it's waterproof. Oh, there she is. You know, it's wet, so I don't want to get my shoes wet. Yep. It would be different if we were to be hiking on a drier land, but this is the rainy season and we are hiking up the stream, so obviously there's gonna be water, and obviously we're gonna have to be crossing river, stream, you know, back and forth. So obviously, but yeah, there she is. I thought you lost. I thought something bite you. Wait, going back. I'm disappointed as much as you guys are, but that's life, I guess, you know. Sometimes life is a bitch, but you gotta make that bitch wet, you know what I'm saying? I just fucking with you. Careful. Wow, up. Maybe we're gonna just stay here and eat, guys. We're back at the waterfall that we really like. Check this out. Yeah. Okay, guys, so should I go in and swim? Or should I eat first? Which one? What do you think? Alright guys, so I guess we're about to go back down to the other area and swim there and eat there. Because this area, like I told you guys before on my picture, when you go in the water, there's like some shit tickling you. I don't know what the fuck it is, but
It felt like a rock.
it felt like a rock, but I don't know. It's kind of weird, so man, I'm hungry as hell. I'm hungry as hell. I'm starting to hallucinate. I'm starting to see weird stuff out here in the wild, yo. I feel like there's things following me. I don't know, man. Shit is crazy, yo. Yeah. It is gonna rain. It looks like it's gonna rain. It's really cloudy. Wow. Jump, yo. Okay, guys, so I guess we decided not to swim anymore because I don't know, there's too many people there and there's people swimming above that water right there and showering with soap and whatnot. So I think it's kind of disgusting. So yeah, we don't want to go there. Probably come back another time and swim on our own. Usually when we come here, there's not many people, so I think we're gonna come back another time, different time to swim. But now we're gonna go and find one of the benches and just sit down and eat. It started to rain a little bit, like a little sprinkling coming down, so I think, yeah, it's much safer to probably go back. Yeah. Okay guys, just got done swimming. About to head back and eat now. Feels good to swim. Alright guys, so it's raining really hard right now. It's actually raining, so I think we're not gonna eat here anymore. We're just gonna go back. I don't know if you guys can see, it's raining. Alright guys, it's raining really hard, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're gonna find a shelter, get a place where it's dry. Shit! Oh my god! Peace out! Alright guys, that's it. I guess I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, sorry we didn't get to the cave, but you know, that's because there was no way the trail stopped there, so yeah, sorry, what a bummer. But anyways, if you guys like that video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and comment down below what kind of video you guys want to see next, or any thoughts and feelings about this vlog, or any questions at all, okay? And subscribe guys, subscribe, because 82% of the people that watches my video are not my subscribers, so yeah, that's like 82% guys. So yeah, please subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, okay? On the subscribe button on the right side of it, there's a bell. Just click on it, so that way you can be notified when I have a new video comes up, okay? And I guess that will be it. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.
Hey baby, flick your phone on 'cause I got a message.